Let's find the distance between these two ordered pairs on the coordinate plane. So we will use the distance formula. Remember, distance is equal to the square root of, that's x of 1 minus x of 2. I'll just call this x of 1. So that's negative 8 minus a negative 6, and that quantity squared, plus this y, negative 7, minus this y, quantity squared. And now let's simplify. That's the square root of, this is negative 8 plus 6, and negative 8 plus 6 is negative 2. Negative 2 squared plus, that's negative 10 squared. And we just continue to simplify. That is the square root of negative 2 times negative 2, or 4, plus negative 10 times negative 10, that is 100. So that is the square root of 104. Let's go ahead and simplify that, because 104 is 4 times 26, and the square root of 4 is 2, so that's 2 square root of 26. The distance between these 2 points then is exactly 2 square root of 26 units.